Backstay fixed, adjustable backstay, nautical tips in a nutshell. Let's discover them together. Who better than Marco Ackler from Neomarin can explain this detail to us and give us all the technical perspectives on this solution and the other one. So Marco, I'm asking you to explain it to me in a way that's simple enough for even me to understand, please. The difference between the fixed and the adjustable backstay and the advantages we have with each, especially with the latter.
So I'll try to keep it very simple. Above all, let's try to explain why an adjustable backstay is important even for those who are just out for a leisurely sail, not just for racers. It's important because it changes the tension of our forestay and, to use a technical term, the catenary of our jib. In other words, it changes the shape of our head sail, our jib. So for example, if we head out with a beautiful breeze of about 10 knots and then stronger wind comes in, we end up with a sail that has a poor shape, it flaps around. By tightening, in this case, our backstay, we can easily and quite quickly improve the shape of our head sail, in contrast to a fixed backstay where we would have to turn the rigid steel mechanical turnbuckle instead.
Okay, perfect. Now it seems clear to me too. Now, just to make a joke, so the fixed one is basically for those who don't want to bother with it. This system is used on the Beneteau First 30, in fact. We're on this brand new boat and Marco has adjusted it perfectly, even to get us planning. If you don't want to miss any of our nautical tips or our on-water tests, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. And from Lake Como on this beautiful day, there's nothing left for me to say but fair winds to you together with Marco from Neomarin, and always keep an eye on the weather.